Hi guys, this is Neek from NeeksUniqueTrayCustomz, and I am back with another video. But before I get this video started, I would just like to give you guys a piece of advice for today. The piece of advice is create the things you wish existed. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I use alcohol ink to color resin when I'm using a silicone mold. I would just like to make a disclaimer and let you guys know to make sure when you're using resin to use your proper protective equipment. And another disclaimer, you guys might hear the popping in the background, but that's my friend back there frying some good chicken. So excuse that, but I really wanted to get this voiceover done for y'all so I can, upload the video. I plan to keep it very transparent with you guys on this page so that you can see the day-to-day routines of the life of our crafting here at Neeks Unique Trays and Things. Now let's get into the video. So right here, what I've done is I've already poured my cup A and my cup B of resin. Right now, I'm actually scraping the rest of cup B into the cup. They're already mixed together. So just make sure before you mix your resin together, your cup A and your cup B, you get every drop of resin out of the cup that you can. So I'm really just trying to get all of the resin out right here, making sure that part A and part B would have equal amounts mixed together. Yes, I know it may seem a little extra, but it's very important that you guys actually get every piece of resin out of that cup so that your part A and your part B will be able to be mixed equally. Once I'm completely sure that I have got all of the resin out of cup A and cup B, I start mixing together. So here is where I will mix part A and part B together for about 3.5 to 4 minutes. And yes guys, I said we're cooking right now, so you may hear a little scuffling and bustling in the background because we're trying to eat that chicken, honey. And just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing. You should mix until your resin is clear. Keep mixing part A and part B together until your resin is clear. Do not let the bubbles fool you. You definitely want to keep mixing past the bubbles, but you have to make sure that your resin mix is clear before you start pouring. If I would put a time on it, I would say that you should mix your resin no less than about 3.5 to 4 minutes. You will know when you're done mixing when you can actually see through your resin. So you should have a clear cup of resin when you're done mixing. You shouldn't have any strings, any striations. It shouldn't be cloudy. It should be clear, and you should be able to see whatever you're mixing with through the bottom of the cup. So this video was made when I first started doing resin, and I just wanted to put a little disclaimer in here to let you guys know that I personally don't use wood popsicle sticks anymore to stir my resin. I use silicone spatulas. this is where all of the fun comes in. So I'm just taking all of the tops off of the alcohol inks. I get my alcohol inks from Joann's as well as Michael's as well as Hobby Lobby. Sometimes I order them online. If you guys want a good place to get alcohol inks, mica powders, molds, and resin, as well as glitter, because I love their glitter. You can shop online at Let's Resin. They have the best glitter ever. So right here, what I'm doing, I'm just making dots of alcohol ink in the mold with the different colors. I would say that I use probably about 5 different colors in this. I think I did pink, green, like a neon yellow, purple, as well as blue. And you guys have to be careful too when you are putting your alcohol inks into the molds. Just make sure that they are colors that you would like to go together if they happen to mix. Because if they happen to mix together and they're not good colors, your project might not come out how you wanted it. Or it could also be a beautiful disaster. So just make sure you be aware of that. Once I have all of the colors spread it over the mold how I want them or how I see fit, now I'm going to add my resin. And right here, I've already mixed part A and part B together. However, when I was putting the alcohol ink inside my mold, my resin had set for a little bit. So if that is the case, I always just mix it up a little bit more just to make sure it hasn't clumped or, you know. Watch until the end of the video and also stay tuned for part 2 of this video coming soon so you can see how the piece actually came out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned as we upload videos to this channel every week. How-to videos, tutorials, and much more. See you guys later.